Hey, what's up everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my latest pickup, which is the Samsung T7 Shield. It came in at $119.99 from Best Buy. I'll leave a link down in the description if you'd like to go ahead and pick one up. Now it does come in three different colors, black, blue, and beige. I went with the blue option just because most of my tech is already blue and it looked great in store. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Now what you'll get inside is the USB-C to USB-C, and you'll also get a USB-C to A cables as well. So this is live first impressions. I have only seen this inside of the store. So let's see what it actually looks like here. Had a really good feel in the store, a very rubberized feel, which is partly the reason that I went with it. So these are going to be our cables here. So we have our USB-C to USB-A cable. We'll set that to the side here. And then we also have our USB-C to USB-C cable, which I'll be using mainly there. So I'll set that there as well. And then you also get a Samsung portable SSD start guide as well. So we'll set that up there. And then we have our T7 device in here as well. So this kind of just pops open. First impressions, this feels really great in the hands. I like the rubbery feel to it. Definitely feels premium. So you have nothing on this side here. And then on this side here, you have your indicator light as well as your USB-C cable as well. All right, so continuing to look at this, the T7 is compatible with PC, Mac, Android devices, gaming consoles, and more. You do get a few different storage options. You get the 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and 4 terabyte. I went with the 1 terabyte just because that is plenty of storage for me. And just to kind of give you a size comparison, so this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that kind of, you can see, is sitting right on top of it there. It is very, very small. Just to kind of give you the thickness comparison, again, it is really small. I do really like that. It's very portable. You can stick this in your pocket and not have to worry about anything happening to it. If you are pretty rough with your devices, you can definitely drop it and it'll still be good to go. So a very rugged device. I do like that. If you want to check it out, again, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you to check it out. As always, thank you so much for watching and be on the lookout for the next video. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe.